lovelies, it's Esosa here. Today we are making catfish pepper soup. Very tasty and super easy to make. So these are all the ingredients for this recipe. I've got tomatoes in there, I've got some red bell pepper, I've got some onions, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some crayfish. First, I'll wash my catfish, my fresh catfish, add some salt. I'll bring water to a boil, add some hot water. Just so you know guys, I rinse it twice. I'll go ahead and rinse it the second time. I will transfer the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. In a pot, I will add the catfish, the pepper mix, and then add some tomato paste. Okay, yeah, tomato paste. Like, tomato paste is a game changer when it comes to making this kind of pepper soup. I feel like it takes the pepper soup to another level. Next, I'll go ahead and add some pepper soup spice. This is what I call Sisi Esosa recipe. Some seasoning cubes, some precise Idan fruits, and then I'll leave that to cook for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes guys, I will add some chopped basil leaf. My pepper soup is ready, you guys. I enjoyed my pepper soup with correct Nigerian pounded yam. Absolutely delicious. You can pair this recipe with rice. Thank you my sweethearts for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, thank you. Bye.